10 unique and most dangerous natural phenomena in the world. Door to Hell. The Darvaza gas crater, also known as the Door to Hell or Gates of Hell, is a natural gas field collapsed into a cavern in Darvaz, Turkmenistan. The name Door to Hell was given to the field by the locals, referring to the fire, boiling mud, and orange flames in the large crater. The hot spots range over an area with a width of 60 meters and to a depth of about 20 meters. This is a geological anomaly, which is a superficial gas pocket that allowed the ground to sink in and create a natural depression. Waterspout. A waterspout is an intense columnar vortex that occurs over a body of water. Some are connected to a cumulus congestus cloud, some to a cumuliform cloud, and some to a cumulonimbus cloud. In the common form, it is a non-supercell tornado over water. If you were to swim or surf and got caught in one of these, and you would be pushed underwater. Stronger waterspouts pose threats to watercraft, aircraft, and people. It is recommended to keep a considerable distance from these phenomena and to always be on alert through weather reports. Volcano lightning. Volcano lightning is an electrical discharge caused by a volcanic eruption, rather than from an ordinary thunderstorm. Volcanic lightning arises from colliding, fragmenting particles of volcanic ashes that generate static electricity within the volcanic plumule, leading to the name dirty thunderstorm. The sparks from the volcano can also turn into glass. Scientists are still unable to explain the phenomena. Sandstorm. A sandstorm is a meteorological phenomenon common in arid and semi-arid regions. Dust storms arise when a gust front or other strong wind blows loose sand and dirt from a dry surface. Fine particles are transported by siltation and suspension, a process that moves the soil from one place and deposits it in another. A sandstorm can transport and carry large volumes of sand unexpectedly. Ball lightning. This is an unexplained phenomenon in which a luminescent spherical object appears in the sky. These normally can be seen at the same time as normal lightning during thunderstorms. They were first noticed in the 19th century and are super rare and happen in a split second. One of these balls was captured on camera in 2014 and scientists are still unable to explain the phenomena. Grunion beaching. Grunion is two fish species and is sardine-sized. These little fishes mate outside water on the beaches from California to Mexico. The fish covers the coastline and mate. Each fish can produce up to 600 translucent eggs. Devil's Kettle Falls. The falls sit above Lake Superior about a mile inland on the Brule River at Judge C.R. Magny State Park near Grand Marais, Minnesota. The river splits into at an outcropping of rhyolite, volcanic rock as hard as granite, according to the Minnesota Department of Natural Resources. The east side of the river falls 50 feet into a pool in a typical waterfall fashion. The water on the west side falls into a hole in the rock and vanishes. If you tossed a stick there and watched it go into the hole hoping to see it bob out of the water somewhere when the river flattens out, you'd be disappointed. Anything that goes into the river never comes back and there is no reasoning for it. Submarine volcano. Submarine volcanoes are underwater vents or fissures in the Earth's surface from which magma can erupt. Many submarine volcanoes are located near areas of tectonic plate formation known as mid-ocean ridges. The volcanoes at mid-ocean ridges alone are estimated to account for 75% of the magma output on Earth. Bagong pipes. This unusual phenomenon is found in China and was discovered in 1990. 80% of these are made of mysterious materials that are still unknown. No one knows how these were made and are believed to be in existence long before humans. Some scientists believe it to be some kind of fossil, but what they are is still unknown. Ice discs. Ice discs are a very rare natural phenomenon that occurs in slow-moving water in cold climates. They are thin circular slabs of ice that rotate slowly on a body of water's surface. Ice discs form on the outer bends in a river where the accelerating water creates a force called rotational shear, which breaks off a chunk of ice and twists it around. As the disk rotates, it grinds against surrounding ice, smoothing into a circle.